Goodnight, Good Dog, written by Mary Lynn Ray, illustrated by Rebecca Malone. The dog knows the click of the lamp when the light is turned off. He knows the sounds the dark makes, those small night sounds. He knows the shadows in corners of rooms. He also knows the quiet that comes, moon quiet. And he knows his bed, round like the moon, but the dog isn't sleepy. He remembers the yellow ball of sun bouncing across the sky. He remembers how he chased it, running in the grass. He remembers his toys. He remembers his dish. He remembers words he knows like come and good dog and good night. Good night. He isn't ready to sleep. Good night, good dog. He likes those words, the way they curl around him, just like his moon-round bed. Except he's not sleepy, not the dog, but houses are, so houses sleep. Children sleep. The night is still. But the dog isn't sleepy, or only a little, just a little. Maybe he can dream back the sun, then he might go to sleep. So the dog makes himself snug and says to himself, "Good night, good dog." Then he closes his eyes, and soon he has dreamed the sun. So he dreams some blue sky, he dreams some green grass, and then someone is saying, "Good morning, good dog," because a new day is waiting. Please click the subscribe button if you would like to be kept up to date with new video posts. Thank you.